So this is XAUUSD analysis for Friday the 22nd of June. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've seen price come down towards this 1263.15. We have held support in around 1263.15. We've had a test of that 1270.10. Brief pullback consolidation. We've tested 1270.10 at the moment, and we're not seeing that follow through as of yet. So if we don't see the follow through of it from this 1270.10 and we do break above the 1270.10 and do hold it for support, then looking for price up towards that 1276, successful break from which we're looking for a move up towards that 1279.42. And if there is sufficient volatility to the upside, 1284 may come into focus. It'd be somewhat counter trend, as the overall trend here has clearly been to the downside, but more recently we do appear to have formed their low. If we can break and hold above the 1270, we possibly have our higher low, and we could see a bit of a recovery here in the XAUUSD, but that's all very short term, somewhat counter trend. So but if we do see the breakdown from this 1270, if we don't see the follow through and break above the 1270, if we do see this continued weakness here, looking for a retest of 1263.15, failing to hold support in around 1263.15, the very levels that we are looking at here to the downside are as follows. Break from 1263.15, we're looking to target the 1251.43, successful break from which we're then looking for price to head down towards our 1243.13, which I'd expect to be the far end of the range here to the downside on the 22nd of June. Now let's get scale on here, correct? So what we have seen is pulses bearish engulfing candle, had to follow through, pulses spin bar in around 1263.15. We've had some slight follow through to the upside, do appear to be rejecting that 1270. From a daily chart perspective, the very next level that we are looking at here to the downside would be a move down towards this 1236.47. In around that 1236.47 we found support before seeing this very strong move here to the upside. So again, in around that 1236.47 would be an area we'll be looking to find major support from a daily chart perspective. But for now, we do have a few confluences above us also. So if we were to break back above the 1270, we do have to be aware of the 400 period moving average here on the daily chart, which could act as a further confluence and resistance and see prices turn around in alignment with the most recent trend, which has been to the downside here on the XAUUSD. Now, with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.